Hi, this is Jack Milligan from the SPI Group, and welcome back once again to Attorney Fee Deferral Month here at SPI. So many of you know me from my PMLS videos over the last 4 or 5 years, but you may not know me from SPI, which is our original company, our mothership, as it were, where we still do strategic, high-level, holistic settlement consulting and planning for plaintiffs, along with, of course, our efforts in the MSA avoidance and lien resolution space. And then also we have a robust business in helping trial lawyers that are seeking to defer fees. So as I'd said in the previous video, October is Attorney Fee Deferral Month, and we will be sending 4 videos this month. These will be very short videos with some key information presented in short bits, and right below me is video number 2, and it's a 1-minute whiteboard video with some very interesting information, but only 1 minute's worth on the 2 most popular attorney fee deferral programs that we promote here at SPI. So wrapping up, we invite your questions and comments. And of course, if you want to talk now, just try us at 800-666-5584 or schedule a no-charge consult call on the Calendly link down below this video. And be sure and go down below and click on that whiteboard video. And that's it for now. See you again next week.